All right, so for today, let's get in a little bit more practice with the one-step equations. So what do you do to solve a one-step equation? Who can tell me? Yeah, we do the opposite. All right, with the equations, each of these equations will have one operation. Operations are adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. What we have to do is the inverse operation is what it's called. Really, like we said, that's the opposite. So that's what inverse means. It's going to mean the opposite one. So what's the opposite of addition? Subtraction. Opposite of subtraction then? Opposite of multiplication. And the opposite of division. All right. Easy enough. If you see the operation on the left, to solve it, you do the operation on the right. So if it's got plus, you do minus. If it's got division, you multiply. Go ahead and try those four. Let's do all four of them. Let's start with M. Who has M? Lana? M equals 16 is correct. Oops. So the way we get that, it has minus 9. We do plus 9. And remember, you do it to both sides. So it cancels on the left. 7 plus 9 gives us 16. How about X? X equals 50 is correct. It's dividing by 5, so we multiply each side by 5. On the left side, it'll cancel out. 10 times 5 gives us 50. How about P? P equals 6 is correct. It's multiplying 4 times P, so you divide by 4. Our 4's cancel. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And last one, N. N equals 6 is correct. It's got plus 17. So we do minus 17 to both sides. The plus 17 minus 17 cancel out. 23 minus 17 gives you 6. All right, any questions? It's easy enough with whole numbers at least, right? What we do still have to be able to do is with decimals also. Does not change anything. So what type of math do I do? So you're subtracting the 12.3 from each side. When you subtract with decimals, you want to line up your decimal points. Over here on the left, doesn't matter, it cancels out. On the right side, you got to borrow. So we get 8. And we get x equals 10.8. Okay? Go ahead and give that one a try. K minus 9.8 equals 2.4. Who's got it? Grayson? 12.2 is correct. So we add. We're adding 9.8 to each side. Cancels out on the left, so we just got our variable, which is what we want to do. We want to get the variable by itself. Now, one of the things I've noticed, I've seen a few people in each of the classes, when they're adding with the decimals, what they do is they add the decimal, so 4 and 8. They say that's 12, put the decimal, add the whole numbers, and they would get 11.12 as their answer. That's not right, but like I said, I've seen a lot of people doing that. What you want to do is you want to add it exactly like the decimals weren't even there. So 4 plus 8, yeah, that's 12, but you put a 2, you carry your 1. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus that 1 makes 12, and then you just bring down the decimal straight down. Okay? So you add it exactly like you would without the decimal, just bring the decimal straight down at the end. Any questions on that? I've seen a couple people in each of the classes do that. A little bit more later in the day.